So I got to install this, which is very small, and where I saw a point that I could use is this point right here, because I will put the faucet right here into a corner. Will not be an inconvenient and will be, I think, very good for the water to put a glass and to pour water into a glass. Or if you are cooking, you can put your vessel here and fill it up with filter water, spring water. And you gotta be careful here. From this part will get the water and you will have a screw mechanism that you can fill it up. So let's make a hole. Make a hole. Check. Fit the chrome part. Fit a rubber material isolating, and that will fix this. Okay, I think it looks good. This other part right underneath the sink. Load the rubber underneath, fasten the hard fixture, install the water fitting and fasten the clips. Here will be a little problem. I don't know what is the connector. So now you have two tubing, a thicker one and a thinner one. So this is for the main water pipe, and this is for the second one. You will use it for the wastewater and the remineralization filter. And the manufacturers tell us here to cut squarely this hose or tube, to cut squarely, to be even here on an even surface squarely. I think this is what they are referring here. Let's see, squarely and clearly. And to put it into this valve, well, you got to heat up one connector, one end, into boiled water, and then put it with this mechanism that I put here, with it tightened with a wrench then. So this is the pipeline that has water. So this piece, I want to put it, and be careful guys, I also have some filters there. Do not put this system after your filters, put before your filters, from the main source, not after the filter, so before. So I will put the reductions, close the water, put the tape. Here you have to use tape, this water isolating tape. So I have to drain. One is from the sink and one is for the washing machine. This is a cap from the drain. I made a hole. This is the hole. This is one mechanism of connecting hose from the manufacturer. I will try to squeeze it into this hole and put the fuse. I will squeeze it to the hole, put a rubber here, and then put the fuse exactly into this connector. So now here, pull this, put a safety, a blue safety, not for this gray material, not to press down. When you press down, you can take out the hose. When you have a safety here, this plastic material, like this connector, will not press down and release the hose. Very intelligent, this system is very good. So the same thing is here. After you put it and tight it up to the sink, put it here, put two safeties, and you're done. And you will connect it to the faucet, and this you'll put the fuse. You will push it all the way and then put this safety plastic right here after you insert it into the fuse. And that's it. Very intuitive, very easy. Frizzlife think of everything. So you have to push down this gray plastic and take this protection cover pins. That's it. Let's mount it. The same goes here. Just remove the plastic, blue plastic safeties. Now you have these connectors. Just connect them after you took out those safety pins, plastic pins. And now one and the other one. Very easy. You got to put those plastic safety that I removed before. Here's one. Just take like this. Here's two. The green one goes into the remineralization in. You have here in. It writes. So now this is the wastewater. You will put it to the red position, waste, and push it good. Push it tight. You see? Now it's locked, and you will put two safety, blue safeties. The fuse to the water. Push it good. Okay. And this one. Check it. Check, check. We're good to go here. Now let's put it in a corner, and this hose or tube gently. Now the remineralization filter. Whew. This is a tricky one. I don't know exactly where to put it. I don't know if I can put it into horizontal position, but I think here will not be a problem. I don't think in this position will not work, because here will be a space that will be unnecessary. I can work with this space, and here will be all the filters, and here will be the space of, I don't know, put your things. I put it in screws. 1, 2, nice. Trying for these hoses to be as discreet as possible. One, I think I will let it exactly like this, and the other one still full here. Cable management like in PCs, so flexible. Everything is so flexible. It's not rigid, will not break. So we have a sound. Now guys, let's turn on the water. I feed the water to the system. Man, I don't know, he's doing his thing. And it stopped. And all the things here, not to touch the fuses, hoses, and to make a catastrophe in your home, to flood your home. So this is why it's best to stay more, not to rush yourself. Now let's turn on. The system starts to flash, and it's best to leave it 10 minutes the water to run. Now the system is not flashing anymore. The pressure is steady. It's not like it was doing before. I have, I don't know, 8 minutes. I think it's ready to be used, but I will leave it 10 minutes for the first time, no matter what.